What if you could turn campaign analysis into a 3-minute process? Whether you're preparing reports or just brainstorming, I'm going to show you how this can be done with Team-GPT. This time I will not set up a separate project, but use a personalized prompt for our brand Mindful Bites, so I can use it in any chat and show you that's possible as well. We open our project. As you can see, we have all the context that we need from the brand here. So let's start a new chat. From the text field, we want to click /, or we can access the prompt library from the button prompt library, or as well as on the side panel right here. So what we want to do is we want to call our marketing campaign analysis prompt, which is extremely comprehensive, as you can see, and highly customized to our Mindful Bites brand. Don't worry, I will provide a one with placeholders on the page of the playbook that you can easily reuse. Here is one variable that we want to specify each time, which is the source of the data that we're providing. Is it meta ads, webinar views and statistics, Google search, or etc. For our case, what we have right now is a meta ads export. So I'll type just meta ads. I will attach the file that I already have in our chat, and I'll execute the prompt. After a brief moment, I get a detailed analysis of how my meta campaign is going, what I can improve, and what should I consider doing. It gives me an overall performance score, performance assessments, comparative analysis, and actionable recommendations. And that's it. Hope you found this playbook useful. Let me know what workflows I should show you next.